This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Ford Edge. This crossover has an automatic transmission, a 3.5-liter V6, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a navigation system, a sunroof, a premium audio system, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, a multi-link rear suspension, a sport suspension, traction control and stability control systems, big 20-inch wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button, a heated driver's seat, cruise control, leather seats, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, rear curtain airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.